Hey guys, I'm Chef Adrienne Calvo, and I'm thrilled to share with you a mushroom and shallot sauté recipe that's perfect for your grilled chicken, grilled steaks, and/or pork chops. This recipe is super easy and super delicious. I love using Alva's stainless steel frying pan because of its 20% more usable space thanks to its straight edges. Let's get to work. Butter goes into the pan, nice and hot. Then the mushrooms go in. So this step is really important where we're not adding anything else to the pan. We're allowing the moisture to come out of the mushrooms. And because of the even heat distribution, that's going to pull out that moisture that much quicker. Right, we're going to season it with a little bit of salt. 2 types of pepper. I like to hit it with a little bit of crushed red pepper flake and a little bit of black pepper as well. Okay, let that work. Now we're going to add some sliced shallots. If you don't have shallots, you can use regular sweet onion or red onion, but I like to use shallots because they pack that much more flavor. Next, we're going to add a couple of sprigs of thyme, and we're going to let that work. Next, we're going to add a little bit of sherry wine. Now you can add Madeira or sherry. Now we're going to let all of this come together. All right, it's ready. Very simple. Mushrooms, shallots, butter, thyme, a little bit of sherry. Let's give it a try. You need this recipe, and you need this pan. To buy your Alva cookware today, visit my curated collection page found in the description.